Hi, I'm Blake Alexander, and this is my Module 1 for EDL 850, School Law. A little bit about me. I'm 32 years old. I've been married for 3 years to my wife Hannah. We have an 8-month-old son named Brooks, and I also graduated in 2011 from Kansas State University with a degree in elementary education. Some information about where I work. I work in USD 501 in Topeka. This is my 7th year teaching. I've been teaching PE for 4 years here at State Street Elementary School. 3 years before that, I was a 4th grade teacher at Atchison County Community Elementary School in Effingham, Kansas. I currently teach PE for kids that are in preschool all the way to 5th grade, and I also am an assistant coach for football at Topeka High School. I'm the defensive coordinator there. And then I'm also the assistant track coach at Topeka High School. A critical reflection of my admin. I like to think of my principal as my source of information. That she is knowledgeable on anything that I need to ask her, and if she is not, she knows where to find the information. And that's really how it's been the last 4 years. If I have any question, I can ask my principal, and if she doesn't know, she knows exactly where to find it for me. I think that she's shown that she has good knowledge of federal and state laws, and our students and our teachers' rights and how to deal with parents. The only thing that I feel like we've really had, in-services on or explained to us as faculty are how to handle different incidences and how to file incidents reports and where to go to and who to talk to about them. Besides that, I feel like our principal is the person who gets the information from above them on new school laws and how our district implements them, and she's the one who brings it into our school. And I feel like the higher you go up in that chain, the more information that you need to know about school law. A critique of my personal knowledge. I feel like I do not know very much. I know a little bit about my rights as a teacher and how to, proper conduct to deal with students and parents and things like that. But as far as like federal and state laws, I'm sure there's a lot that I don't know about it. Also, how to handle violations of the law and where to go to get that information if you don't know it as a principal. And then I really don't know many of our board policies or anything right now. Besides the things that come from my principal. And when information or programs come into our school, I don't really ever know if it's just from our principal, if it's coming down the chain from the superintendent or the board. So I'm not real familiar with some of the exact things that are our board policies. The plan to help me improve my current practices. Taking this class, I feel like is a great first step in it. Also, talking to colleagues, asking my principals those questions. I feel like that's going to gain me more knowledge on the information. Along with getting my degree in admin, I have to log hours, and those internships are also another way to gain information into how school law works. And then just experience over time. I feel like the more I'm involved and the more I work with people, the more I'm going to know. And then now that I'm in this class, we have the Teacher's Guide to School Law, which is a good, quick reference to find information that I don't have memorized right off the top of my head. So I think following those things, by the time I get through this master's program, I should have a really good grasp of school law. And that is my slideshow. Thanks for watching.